Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a ESP8266 programmer. We can program an Arduino by basically hooking up the USB cable came with the Arduino to our computers. But this is not the case with the ESP. The ESP8266 doesn't come with a programmer. So today we are going to take a look at how we can build a simple programmer for our ESP so that we can code it with our computer and Arduino IDE. So first of all, we are going to see how exactly an ESP12F looks like. If you have already seen the Node MCU in my previous videos, or if you have a Node MCU with you, then you have seen a ESP8266 chip on it. The ESP8266 comes in various packages. One of them is ESP1 and others are ESP2, ESP7 and ESP12. Today we are going to take a look at the ESP which is present on the Node MCU. That one is ESP12F. So in order to program, we need to take a look at a simple diagram. As you can see in this diagram, some of the pins are pulled up using a 10 kilo ohm resistance and some are pulled down to ground. There are two buttons also. One of them is flash and other is reset. These buttons are connected to two of the pins of the ESP. Whenever the button is pressed, these pins are connected directly to the ground. And when these buttons are not pressed, these are pulled up to the VCC using 10 kilo ohm resistance. Then in the similar way as we program an ATmega 328 IC, the RX of the controller is connected to the TX of the programmer and vice versa. Using the same diagram, I just made a simple circuit on a piece of general purpose PCB. I soldered everything up as I took 5 numbers of 10K resistance, 2 push buttons along with some jumper wires, a USB to TTL converter and some header pins. Then I connected everything according to the diagram. I used the USB to TTL converter as an interface between my USB and serial data for the controller. Then once everything is soldered up, I labeled each wire according to their use so that I never forget them in the future. And then I connected everything according to the diagram to the ESP. For the trial, I connected the USB cable to the computer and the light on the ESP glows up. That means something is fine. In order to check whether everything is fine, then I went to my computer screen, opened the Arduino IDE software and go to the tools. Then I selected generic ESP8266 board and then I went to the ports. First of all, I figured out which port is which. Then I selected the correct port and clicked on upload. But this ends up giving an error. After a bit of search, then I again uploaded the code, but this time I hold the flash button. When the computer starts uploading the program, I press the reset button and then release it with releasing of the flash button also. So keep in mind, firstly press the flash button. When the computer starts uploading, press the reset button and quickly release it, then release the flash button. Then the code starts uploading. Everything works really fine, and the code was also working correctly. While doing this project, you have to keep in mind a very important concept. You have to use 3.3 volts. If your programmer is not providing you 3.3 volts, then get a voltage regulator IC. As ESP works on 3.3 volts only, if you provide it 5 volts, then the microcontroller will burn out. I was not able to cover how the pins are working, why we use them, and how the reset and flash button works. For this, I have written an article in detail on my website. If you are interested in knowing the complete theory how this thing is working, then you can went to the link in the video description, open my article and read it thoroughly. So this is for it today. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't like it, then click the dislike button. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.